indefinite article is a determiner, in English, a and an, that is used to refer to an unspecified thing. For example, the boy gave me a book. In this sentence, it is not specific what kind of book the boy gave me. Is it a new one? What is it about? What is its color? Is it from the library? Etc. Bonjour, everyone, and welcome to another episode of French class. In this video, we're going to learn the indefinite article in French. Take a look at some examples of masculine and feminine nouns together with their indefinite article. And to help you better remember this lesson, have a quick exercise, so make sure you watch until the end for that part. But before anything else, this video is part of our French class series. If you want to learn more about the French language, please check our playlist linked in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The indefinite article. The singular indefinite article in French, a or an in English, is un for masculine nouns and une for feminine nouns. The plural of both forms is des, roughly equivalent to the English some, although it's usually not translated as some. Notice that I've also included the IPA symbol to help you remember their pronunciation. Now, depending on the context, un and une can also mean the number 1. Moving on, here are some examples of masculine nouns with their indefinite article. Un ami, a friend. Des amis, friends. Un livre, a book. Des livres, books. Un jardin, a garden. Des jardins, gardens. Take note that, unlike the definite article, the indefinite article is the same for nouns beginning with a consonant or a vowel. Also, notice that I pronounce the silent S of des amis. This is what is called liaison in French. Don't worry about it for now, as we'll be making a separate video about the topic soon. On the other hand, here are some examples of feminine nouns with their indefinite article. Une amie, a female friend. Des amis, female friends. Une page, a page. Des pages, pages. Une ville, a city. Des villes, cities. As shared in one of our previous videos, nouns and the definite article in French, a technique for memorizing the gender of nouns faster is to include their article in learning them. Now we've come to our quick exercise. Supply the correct indefinite article to the following nouns. Write your answers in the comment section, and I'll do my best to check them. Leçon, lessons. Leçon. Dictionnaire, a dictionary. Dictionnaire. Autobus, a bus. Autobus. Bibliothèque, a library. Bibliothèque. Chemise, shirts. Chemise. So that's it for this episode of French class. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more French classes. Merci beaucoup, and until the next episode.